I turned $100 into over 100 grand, and if I had to start from zero today, here's the exact 4-stage formula that I would use to take it even further. Now, for legal reasons, this is not financial advice, but the logic I'm about to show you, it works. Now, here's what most people don't realize. $100 is actually enough, not to get lucky, not to gamble, but to plug into a specific 4-stage formula that takes you from $100 to a fully funded trading account, to a strategy that works, and to money growing in the background while you sleep, all on autopilot. And most traders never see all 4 stages connected together in just one place, but today I'm going to show you that. Let's get straight into it. Now, most beginners make the same mistake, and you could probably relate to this. They take their $100, they open a broker account, and they try and grow it from there. And I get it, it feels logical, but here's the problem. $100 in a live account is almost impossible to scale. The position sizes are tiny, and one bad trade and you're going to be right back to zero, and then you're going to decide that trading doesn't work for you and quit. That is not a trading problem, that is a capital problem. Now, here's what winners do instead. They use that $100 to pay for an entry fee for a prop firm evaluation, and a prop firm will give you $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 of their own capital for you to trade. Now, they're not going to do this because they trust you blindly or that they like you or even care about you. They're going to do this because you've passed their challenge and proven that you can trade responsibly. And the best part is you go from $100 of your own money to controlling $50,000 of someone else's without debt, without a loan, or without needing a wealthy background. That is leverage done right. That is stage 1, but capital without a strategy is just gambling. So stage 2 fixes that. Now, here's the truth about trading strategies. Most beginners go looking for complexity. They want to stack indicators upon indicators, signals, alerts, trading bots, and they lose money chasing all of it. And to be honest, that's probably happened to you before, and it's happened to me. But the strategies that work are stupidly simple, and they're based on just one concept, which is where smart money leave a gap in the market, because institutions move so fast, they create imbalances, and price will always come back to fill them. Now, that concept is called a fair value gap, and it's one of the cleanest, most repeatable patterns you will find in the market. And luckily for you, I've condensed my 6 years of trading experience into a simple fair value gap trading strategy that you can use with the entry, with the exit rules, with the take profit, everything that you need in the pinned comment down below. It's been used by over 50,000 traders who are already getting results just like this. But here's what most traders never do when they start using this strategy and become profitable, and it's the biggest reason they stay stuck, and this is what stage 3 is all about. The moment you stop withdrawing prop firm payouts, you have a very important decision to make, and most traders get this completely wrong. They either spend it on Lambos or they leave it sitting in the bank doing absolutely nothing. But here's what you want to do instead. You want to move a portion of your profits straight into assets, stocks, ETFs, real estate that make you passive income, because the reality is, if you're just relying on trading income alone, that is a loser's game. The best traders always have multiple sources of income because they don't have to rely on trading, and when you don't rely on trading to pay the bills, you can make the absolute best trades possible. Now, this is non-negotiable once you start making money, because trading is active income. The second you stop trading, the money will stop too. Assets give you something that trading never can. It gives you income independent of yourself. And that's the part that most trading educators skip because they don't give a shit, right? That's just the reality of it, right? They'll teach you how to trade, but they'll never teach you what to do with the profits, and that is stage 3. And once your assets are working, this moves you on to stage 4, which is the final stage. Now you want to build your own real trading account, something that you actually own. Every payout that you get, you want to set out a portion of your profits, 30%, 50%, whatever you feel comfortable with, because prop firms change their rules all the time. Some shut down, some are just pure scams, like I won't lie to you, some of them are just absolute scams. And you want to own your own capital eventually, right? Not rent access to someone else's forever. And I'll be honest with you, when you get to this point of being consistently profitable, you're probably not going to want to trade forever, or at least trading is going to go on the back burner while you do something else, whether that's just spending more time with your family, becoming an investor, or building a company that changes the world, which is what I'm doing right now, right? But you need to follow the formula to get to that stage. $100 into a prop firm account, use the strategy in the pinned comment down below, put it into assets, build your own trading account, and then do whatever you want to after that. Reinvest, compound, and stack over time. That is how you turn $100 into 100 grand and even $1 million. Now, like I've said, you've got the easiest trading strategy in all of trading in the pinned comment down below. If you haven't already, go check it out. And if you want to see me show you how to actually use that trading chart or that trading strategy on TradingView, go check out this video on screen now.